see what I can offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite Trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
But they want to hit a base hit, they hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we're just wanting to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know.
Hello and welcome everybody to Elite Trading Pre-Market Prep here with me, Kaylor, coming to you live every day, giving you the pre-market stuff that you're looking for when it comes to trading, looking for catalyst ideas, things that we're doing in the market, and ideas that we have. I'm excited to bring this stuff to you every morning, so if you can, do us a favor while you come in, hit that like, hit the subscribe here button on YouTube. We need to get those subscribers up on YouTube, so please feel free to jump over, look us up, and hit that like and subscribe for us on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks for getting that out of the way with me, but let's go ahead and start off with your newsletter right now. All right, we have the daily newsletter 1/26/2021, quote of the day: "Don't look for the needle in the haystack, just buy the haystack." John Bogle. We have the bulls today: AXDX, we have VYNE, we have GOEV, CTRM, and TFII. On the bears list, we have ORLA, CYRX, LL, and EBR. Top daily news stories that we're looking at right now currently are Etsy shares jump 9% after Elon Musk tweeted he kinda loves the e-commerce stock. You know, I wish that Elon would jump on and tweet about Elite Trading, because that would be a great thing. So lucky for Etsy that he did that. Great for them. Their stock is moving in the pre-market. So this is some pretty exciting stuff for them, and I'm happy to see stuff like that happen for good companies. So we have Mad Money. Jim Cramer urges caution on the GameStop. Big move lately in that short squeeze. Says there are easier ways to earn and make money. I'd have to agree with him on that one. And then we have more than 150 world leaders, including Amazon's Jeff Bezos, and Salesforce CEO Mark Benioff. I should have looked that one up. I'm sorry. I don't even know how to say his last name. I'm sorry. But and Ford Motor Company Executive Chairman Bill Ford signed an open letter to President Joe Biden to pledge their support to the new administration's goals to combat climate change. So, that's a big deal. There's a lot of jobs that can be created through the Go Green movement, and they're talking about President Biden being the green president, being the one who is going all about clean energy and helping the globe. So you never know, that could be a big catalyst in the future for them, for this clean energy stocks, for Tesla. So keep in mind and keep watching that. We also have the top yesterday's callouts. FCX 24.15%. We had options on them. We have the SPY options as well. That end up being, we had the puts at the 384 strike, went 78% yesterday on that big spike down. way to go on that move. AMC 11.87% on the shares. Still looking to hold some of these positions that we've had, but really, probably going to take some off and look for some dips to buy today. So that's the plan for us. Trading tips: have a stop loss. Use in the money options if you're going to trade options. Be careful. They're safer at support levels. Do your own DD, your due diligence, and make sure that you take a look at what you're trading and really understand what the company does, understand where previous support and resistance lines were, and things of that nature. Let's pull up the old charts here for the day. We have FCX pulled up here. FCX. This one has earnings today. They came out with their earnings. They beat on the earnings, but they came out with earnings on a bad day, and that's when we say earnings can get muted. What does that mean when you say earnings can get muted? What it means is that there are other catalysts in the market that outweigh the good or bad news on a earnings report. No one's talking about the stock. No one's buying the company. There aren't any big movers. It's not, there's nothing going on with this other than the good earnings. If no one's talking about it or hearing about it, then, it's not going to move. It's going to get muted by the fact that the market's kind of slipping. And so I want to look at SPY. It's up 87 cents in the pre-market. I'd look for it to break the 384.95. If it doesn't break there, then, we might be turning red today. But you never know. It just could hang out right above this 35, 36 area and ride it all the way out, and this could be just a lame week. We'll be watching. Zoom. Got areas of 380 and 412, so I'm going to write that down. ZM, 380s and 412. X is taking a nice dip of $5.45 basically, finding a little bit of support. Maybe it catches it at 17. I'll be looking at X at 17 and 24, 45, 22 in between right here at this level. So let's pull up old Apple, see how they're doing today. They're up 60 cents in the pre-market. Look for that dip down to retest under 140. Consolidating here between that 141, could get a nice breakout. And that could get a new high today over 145. I'd like to see it go that was yesterday, so now you got to make a lower low. Is it going to go all the way down to 136? I don't know. We'd have to have a really red day. If not, this thing blasts off here. But there's a lot of selling going on yesterday. Profit taking possibly, and they get back in today on a lower level around 141 if it gets a nice little break and then shoots up to 145. So we'll be watching Apple for sure. Possible breakdown to the 141.83. If not, we got a 143.50 coming up. Looks like that's where it's at. So, all right, we'll see how that goes. That's what I got today for you guys. Stay green, stay in the green every day by jumping into Elite Trading and following along and getting the training and the ideas from our group that we can share with you. And we hope that you guys join in with us. And we're excited to have all the new members that are joining in. So we'll see you here in about 2 minutes.